Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Laravel Sanctum for mobile API step by step clearly. To start using Laravel Sanctum for mobile API authorization, ensure your Laravel application is set up. Install Laravel Sanctum via Composer if you haven't already. Run the command, Composer require Laravel/Sanctum. Publish the Sanctum configuration file by executing PHP artisan vendor publish provider equals Laravel /Sanctum service provider. Next, run the Sanctum migration to create the necessary database tables. Use the command PHP artisan migrate. In your app, assign the has API token straight to the user model. Add the Sanctum middleware to your API middleware group within the app/http kernel.php file. Then, set up your authentication routes in the routes/api.php file. Create a new route for user registration. This route should accept a post request with user credentials. Next, create a route for user login, which will also accept a post. In your auth controller, implement the registration method. This method should validate incoming request data before creating a new user. Once the user is created, return a token using the createToken method on the user model. For the login method, validate the incoming credentials. If they are valid, generate a token and return it in the response. Now, set up a protected route that requires authorization. This can be done by applying the auth Sanctum middleware to the route. In your controller, create a method to handle authorized requests. This method should return user information or other relevant data. Make sure your mobile application includes the token in the authorization header for each API request. You can do this by attaching the token to the authorization header as a bearer token. Test your endpoints using a tool like Postman to ensure everything works smoothly. With the setup complete, your mobile application is now ready to use Laravel Sanctum for authorization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.